Hello there. This video explains how to change a brake light bulb in a Ford Focus Mk2 Hatchback. That's the one that looks like this. Now, it's easy to change a brake bulb in a car of this type, and all we need is a screwdriver. And a new bulb. Do we have any bulbs? Yeah? We have bulbs. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Right, here's how to replace the brake light bulb in a Ford Focus Mk2 Hatchback. First, open the tailgate and look to the side of the light for two black screws. They're here and here. Undo these screws with a medium-sized Phillips screwdriver. The light is now loose, but it's still held in position with two pins that extend into the bodywork. The pins are about here and here. So, to release the pins, pull the light upwards and give it a wiggle. You might find the light comes off easily, you might not. We can now see two bulb sockets. The lower socket contains the brake light bulb, so that's the one we need to open. To do so, twist the socket towards the outside of the car, then pull gently. Now, remove the blown bulb. And replace it with a new brake light bulb of the correct type. Now, you can find out what type of bulb you need by checking the car's manual. Alternatively, any letters and numbers written on the blown bulb confirm what's what, although they're so small you'll probably need a magnifying glass to see them. For this particular Ford Focus, we need a 12 volt P21 5W. Yeah, that's right. Next, push the bulb through the hole in the light, then twist the socket towards the centre of the car to lock it in position. OK, now's the moment to replace the light. To do so, line up the pins on the light with the holes in the bodywork. Next, make sure the wires are out of the way so they don't get snagged. And tap the light back into position. Now, replace the two black screws. And finally, press the brake pedal and have a friend standing behind the car to confirm the bulb's working. And that's it. That's how to replace a brake light bulb on a Ford Focus Mk2 Hatchback. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Click the bell next to the subscribe button so you're told when I release it. And do me a favour and click like on this video. Right, that's all for now. I'm off to fix another Ford Focus, one bulb at a time.